All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So I just wanted to let you know that the new Natural Solutions sunscreens video and bug repellent videos have been reshot. Much clearer, much better audio, and all the resources are there. So I want to show you how to navigate to that. Whether you're on the PC or you're on your phone, you're just going to go over to, once you're in the main network here, go over to courses, and then you should all have access to Natural Solutions 2020. And then once you're inside Natural Solutions, we have the activity feed where you can chat with everyone about Natural Solutions. We've got our different seminars that are coming up. And then if you go over on the left, or if you're on the phone, I think you'll see, yeah, on the left when you have those little lines, you'll see table of contents. All right, so table of contents, we've got sunscreens. You click on that, we've got the video, we've got all the resources and the homework. And then same thing with the bug repellents, the video, all the resources and homework. And this is super, super solid information. Super proud of it. Put a lot of time and effort into it. So I hope you guys take advantage of it. All right. We'll talk to you guys soon.